Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Mathpix Snip and confirming account access. Do this now. Once signed in, set OCR language and choose output format, LaTeX if you need edit-ready math, PNG for images. Make sure hotkey is configured. This lets you capture instantly. Also enable clipboard copy so results paste automatically. These initial choices control accuracy and workflow speed, so pick them deliberately. After that, position the screen window you'll capture and be ready to trigger the hotkey to snip content. You press the hotkey and drag a precise selection around the equation or page. Include a little margin so Mathpix detects baseline and context. Once snip processes, check its auto-detected zones, toggle math versus text if needed, because segmentation affects LaTeX output. Then use the inline editor to fix misread symbols, add missing curly braces, or correct fractions. Make edits immediately, because corrections train your workflow and prevent cascading errors when copying into documents or code editors. You now export the cleaned result. Copy LaTeX to clipboard or save PNG for visuals. Once pasted into your editor, compile or render to confirm layout. Make minor syntax fixes if compilation fails. If an equation looks wrong, return to the snip editor and adjust segmentation or symbols, then re-export. If Mathpix repeatedly misreads input, improve source contrast, zoom in, or crop tighter. Alternatively, redraw complicated handwritten parts. These steps complete the workflow and keep results reliable for reuse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.